Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your headlight assembly on a 2016 Honda Odyssey. The first thing you have to do is you do have to remove the front bumper cover, and I have a separate video on how to do that, and I will put a link to that in the description below. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this plastic clip on the upper side of the headlight, and take a flathead or a clip tool, and you're going to see there's two notches cut on either side of the clip. You're going to want to pry up on each notch, pry up a little bit on one side, and then switch over to the other side and pry up on it, and just kind of go back and forth and work the clip out. These clips can break real easily. They get pretty brittle and grimy, but if you work your way around side to side, you can typically get it out without breaking it. But a lot of times these pieces right here will break off. If you do break it, it's not a big deal. You can get these on Amazon. I'll also link to those in the description. And next we have a series of bolts we're gonna have to remove. So go ahead and get a 10mm socket and remove this bolt on the side. And also one down below here. And lastly, the one on top here. And then pull the headlight directly forward towards you. And remove the wiring plugs by pushing on the tabs on the end and pulling back on them. And this one, the plug is on the bottom here. And then the wiring harness is held on by these little clips that you can just slide out of the groove. Same with this one. And that's it, guys. Headlights out. Thanks for watching.